Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS, James here. How are you today? In this video, we would like to share the work that we finished in the MAZDA 6 2005, which actually belonged to the generation 2007, and then afterward it come up to 2012. Now this one actually is the MAZDA 6 coming with the automatic air conditioner control over here, and it come with the factory radio CD player like this. And we already worked on this one, and we found that the option to fit the head unit in the middle here is not compatible with this model. 100% is not compatible. We already spent hours working on that, and then we definitely fit the system on the top. So this is the first stage of the work, because everything already finished: steering wheel control, sound system, premium head unit, wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, and Full HD anti-glare, super night vision, reverse camera, fully fit. Everything fully fit, except there's 1 liter special design plastic frame over here, which we will swap over soon if we have it, back in stock. But for now, it's already secure and fit and ready to go and ready to be used. So every function already ready. The sound system is beautiful because of the the improvement in the digital sound processor amplifier inside our premium head unit. And the reverse camera is the top end Full HD level, and it is fit with the very best version into the car, so it actually makes the car looks like the camera is like factory camera. So you can see it here, the camera looks like factory, 100% like a factory camera. There's no gap, no bracket, no wiring, nothing showing outside of the unusual thing. And just quickly notice that you can tell, we remove a lot of dangerous wiring fit into the car before for the a very outdated camera. Before, it was fit in the most dangerous way and unprofessional way before. So we simply remove everything and then we fit our system nicely into the car. So now look, when we you see this one is wireless Android Auto. Yep. And now we put it into the reverse, and it come up straight away. That you can see how actually the system show, super clean and super clear, very sharp and detailed, because it is Full HD anti-glare and super night vision one. And because we are facing toward the sun from our workshop, so it actually looks a bit dark, sorry for that. But now I turn the lights off as well, and you can see it brighter straight away because I was turning the headlight on for the night driving test. Yes, so you can see now the system is beautiful, and it comes back to the front, Apple CarPlay, and it is reversing, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, sorry, wireless Android Auto. Yeah, so if you know that we have the premium one fit in this one only at the first stage, then please spend another time coming back, and we'll see the second step when we finish the swap replacement of the plastic on the top. And at that time it will look definitely perfect for the car. But by now we are happy because all the function, steering wheel controls, and see the sound system, and the main function of the CarPlay and Android Auto, GPS, USB and microphone, everything is ready at the best level, including the Full HD camera, the best one, the best position. And again, the camera is just very top end. Okay, so you see the bumper bar at the bottom here, and it's very safe for the B-plate driver, which actually is the owner of the car. He will be very excited to get the car back today and start driving. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you on the next one very soon.